Nehemiah 6 verse 16. And it came to pass that when all our enemies heard thereof, and all the heathen that were about us saw these things, they were much cast down in their own eyes, for they perceived that this work was wrought of our God. There's a message of the Lord for you today, that God will do great things in your life and you will not get devastated. You will be all well, and God will weaken your spirit as always, and God will help you as always, and God will lead you as always in His spirit. And you don't have to worry, because God will help you in everything. And thanks for watching my video. God bless you all.